Young man, from what I'm seeing in these credentials or your CV, it's nothing to write home about, you know.
Baba, you don't need to write a letter home to our roundabout.
Who is writing letter to your home? This thing you are putting here, see, let me just tell you, this is what you just do. You sure you can swim?
I feel like this. Our job now is a lifeguard, you understand? Tell us, we dey work for Elegushi Beach, for New Beach, now we dey save lifeguard, you understand? If anybody want drown, like maybe somebody is a fat now, like a hippopotamus, you understand? Now want to drown, now start, now we will go there, you understand? We save am.
I swear, if you don't come out, na my nigga, they save am. You never hear say you don't work on top of town.
Now we, now you understand? I see that like from Tanzania.
Yes.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, no problem. We'll go and do the practical now. I hope you are ready for the practical.
Practical. Can you see people dey for downstairs?
Yes.
Let's practical. Caffeine come on. Hey, I want to we dey go enter. You go see how they swim like a fish, like a sandy fish.
Okay. I hope you guys.
Baba, no fear.
Gbogbo ọmọ mẹ́ta ṣayé ṣáàgì.
Hey, hello, how are you? They dey follow you talk, you dey do like assistant Jesus abi. If I knock you 2 by 2 for spinal cord, you go enter menopause. Okay, they don dey give you cream abi you sef don dey bleach. See as your finger be like.
Lifesaver. Oga.
Mastercraft.
Oh yeah. Hello, how are you?
Give me trophy drink.
Trophy.